there are many mistakes committed along the way in governance, whether with or without malice. Somebody has to point out these things so that the administration or somebody or the president will know about it. Kasi yung mga bagay-bagay na kung sila lang, hindi naman nila sinasabi yung problema nila or whatever. Even without yung sabihin mo na walang korupsyon o may... There has to be somebody who would be just checking and maybe try to figure out if it is the correct way. If it isn't the right way, then he has to call the attention of the one who is there running the show. Ganon ka, in a democracy, there must always be an opposition. If there is no opposition, there is no democracy.
Oh, right.
If there is no right to dissent, that is the essence, the right to disagree or dissent. If that is absent, there is no democracy. Even if it's all correct all the time or most of the time, okay lang yan. But there has to be somebody there to check. And that is the opposition who should be doing it. Wala kasi yung opposition yan. Nawala sa mapa yung liberal eh. So, ako naman, I do not want to join an organization or create an organization just to point out the mistakes of the Marcos administration. That's not my business. Dumaan ako pagka presidente. I will not be there just to show to you how wrong this guy is. But kung sabihin mo, I'll be there to point out that what he is doing or what they are deciding upon will destroy the country, then I will do it on my own, even without a party. Pag nasisira yung decision, sasabihin ko talaga sa inyo, sabi mo, hindi pwede yan. But I will not be there to criticize just to find the nitty-gritty mistakes. I will not do that. If the president is correct, I would say he's correct. If the president is wrong, I will say that, Mr. President, you're doing it the wrong way. Kindly listen because I'm giving you the best advice.